Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set dark mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this is the first time here and you find value in this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's dive into it. To set dark mode, let's go to the settings. Mine is right here, so I'm going to tap there. Inside settings, scroll down until you find display, which is right here. So tap on display. And right here at the top, you have dark mode settings. On this side, you can see mine is set to light, and on this side, you have dark. If you tap there, your device will turn to dark mode. If you already have dark mode active, to go back, you just have to tap here on light, and it will go back to the light mode. I like to set mine to dark mode because it's not only good for the eyes, but also for the battery consumption. Just below light and dark, you have dark mode settings. Tap there. Inside dark mode settings, you have the option to schedule when do you want dark mode to be active. To do that, just tap here on turn on as schedule. Once you turn on as schedule, the first option it selects is from sunset to sunrise. And as you notice, it automatically changed to the light mode. Right below it, you have the option to custom schedule, so tap there. If you tap here, you can see that you have the option to select when do you want dark mode to be active and when do you want it to turn it off. In this case, let's tap here on set schedule. On this side, you have the option when do you want this to start. In this case, mine is set to 6 p.m. You can select any time, 5, 6 or 7. Let's set here to 5. On the right side, you have the option to select when do you want dark mode to be off. In this case, as you can see, mine is set to 7 a.m. but you can select any time here. I'm going to select 8. And if you're okay with the schedule, to finish, tap on done. This way, dark mode will be active from 7 p.m. to 8 o'clock in the morning the next day. Well everyone, this is how you can set dark mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You can follow these steps on Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give it a like, share it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave that in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.